Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix this app is currently not available in your country in iPhone problem. So what you have to do, go to settings, tap on your name banner. Now go to media and purchases, tap on view account. Now you will be prompted to verify your identity using Face ID, verify it. Now once the page loads, tap on the country/region, tap on country/region and select change country and change country or region. Select the country. Choose your country to Switzerland or United States. Tap agree to accept the terms and proceed it. After proceeding, enter your credit/debit card details and billing information. And if you encounter a message about needing to spend your balance to change the region, refer to the linked video to resolve the issue. So that's it.